Appalachian sunrise meets my skin, even with my eyes still
If
closed.
you're looking for some ideas to double the space in your small kitchen, here is the solution. Today, I am sharing a few simple and renter friendly ideas to maximize your kitchen space.
Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring, rainbow trout and hummingbird.
The first one is that if you don't have large counter space, try not to use certain appliances like bread toaster, hot water bottle, sandwich maker. Because you can do all this even without these appliances. Like you can toast the bread simply on a pan and boil the water in saucepan. Although these appliances are basically made only for our convenience, but since they occupy a lot of counter space and hence become inconvenient rather than being helpful for small kitchens.
Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring, rainbow trout and hummingbird wing.
These days, keeping the cutlery beautifully in a drawer divider is a trend. For that, so many organizers are available in the market. However, for smaller kitchens, I would suggest storing cutlery in a cutlery holder or caddy and keep them on countertop to save a lot of drawer space, as you need at least one full drawer to fit all the cutlery neatly. So this way you can use this precious drawer space for other useful things that might not look good on the countertop. In fact, keeping utensils like this gives an added charm to your space, and at the same time, it doesn't take up much space but becomes more convenient. We all use some very basic seasonings on a daily basis and hence want to keep those spice jars just on the countertop for convenience. For this, we can use this type of single or double layer storage rack to maximize the space.
To make you stay.
Select the size and tier of these storage organizers as per your requirement. It will save a lot of counter space for keeping other big pots and pans after cooking and will also help you to see and use all the jars of tea, sugar and spices properly. I am trying to change the look of this simple rack by placing this wooden tray. It's looking more elegant now.
'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you.
Now, my next approach is to utilize this side wall of the refrigerator. I found these magnetic hooks that fit this idea perfectly to hang some daily used kitchen tools. You can also buy a magnetic caddy for the same purpose depending on your needs. Basically, the whole idea is to smartly use every bit of space in kitchen with some elegance but without making it look cluttered. These measuring cups, grater, tea strainer, scissor has got their perfect home here. And now even these small items are easily visible.
Is where I long to roam.
Another good idea to keep your counter space as free as possible is to utilize the empty space on top of larger appliances like microwave and refrigerator. You can use a basket to keep spice jars, kitchen towels, dry fruit containers, or some other knick-knack kitchen items and place it on top of this microwave. You can also keep a fruit basket or vegetable basket here. If there is an exhaust above your microwave, avoid using this area. Similarly, try utilizing this empty space above the refrigerator also. But for this, you may take help of this lazy Susan. I use this revolving tray to hold containers of dry fruits. This organizer is best for areas where your hands cannot reach properly and you cannot see the items kept behind. So, by rotating this tray, you can easily get even those items which are not visible.
I would get in over my head.
All the important and necessary kitchen appliances should always be kept in the cupboard as these are not frequently used items. Keep them in their designated place after use as they take up a lot of space on the countertop. Also, try to use some empty space in the cupboard wisely. Like there is this little space here in front of the basket. So, to deal with this situation, consider using this type of over the door caddy to keep your stuff. Hanging this caddy on the cabinet door will not interfere with taking this basket out. Because if you store something here, it may be difficult to access this basket. Similarly, you can hang this type of undershelf organizer to create more space in your small kitchen. This is one of those organizers that doesn't take up any counter space. I keep my spice box on this shelf and I also hang one kitchen paper towel on this. By using this organizer, we are not minimizing the physical space of the countertop.
To be, you can't deny it all. 다가갈 거야.
You can be creative to use any dead space in the kitchen without creating any clutter. Like there is a lot of free space available on this chimney hood, so I am putting these little plants over here. I use this wafer box to hold straws and keep this one also over here because I can't put any heavy objects on it. I know everyone's kitchen is different, yet I hope few of these ideas will surely be helpful for your kitchen.